Hi, in this video I want to do Preassignment 2. Now the presumption is you've already downloaded KiCad and we're ready to go. All right, so we're going to do 3 downloads from the Google Drive and let you set up the configuration for PCB Camp. Okay, this is the starter files and we're going to download it, and this will create a zip for us. Now it's important to put it in someplace you can find, and so I'm going to put it in my documents folder so I can find it. Okay, extract. Now over in my documents folder, I will see it created a folder called starter. Now with KiCad, what we're going to do is we're going to name the name of the file to match my EID. Okay. And then inside, we're going to rename all of the KiCad files to also be my EID. So whatever your EID is, we're going to make it match the names of these 4 files. Now, these 4 files, Ensemble is essentially your printed circuit board project. Okay, and the project file, the profile is the project, the schematic is the schematic, the PCB is the PCB, and we don't actually use the third one. Okay, so that was the first step. Then the next part is to get this folder called Pretty. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go here and go to Pretty. I'm going to go into here and I'm going to download. Okay? I'm going to download this folder. Okay. Now it turns out, as you can see, these are the models that describe some of the parts that we're going to use in PCB Camp. Okay. So just like before, this is a whole bunch of files, so I'm going to unzip it. And it doesn't really matter where you put it, but it makes sense to me to put it in the same spot with the other stuff, so I'm going to put it in here. Okay. Going to put the Pretty folder in here. And we'll look at it and see what it is. All right. Okay. And inside this Pretty, these are the KiCad models for the parts that we will have in this camp. All right, so that's number 2. Got one more. All right. I got one more, and that is the symbol file. Now this is not a folder, it's just one file, but we're going to download it. And it will make sense to move it also into that folder. Okay. So we're going to cut it from there. We're going to go back to where we're going to have our project, and we're going to paste it here. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like when we get started. Okay. We have a folder with modules in it. We have symbols, and we have the 4 files which have your EID. Okay. Next, we're going to open it up and do the libraries. So go ahead and get this far, and we'll see you in a minute.